Riding this wave out of Coney Island. Who's gonna put it back in the deep waters? Trinitron9, Coney Island, right there, right now, right there, right now. It's rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. It's rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm gonna eat another piece of cornbread. It's rough around the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread.
Man, because I don't have the best mother nature this morning, so I'm going to get my head with skin. I'm going to do like old Forrest. I'm going to run. Dash down on a good day.
We're going to step it to the plate out here in Coney Island and put it where I can get it. I need my radio cleaned up. I need my Coney Island radio cleaned up, and I need it cleaned up now. Who's going to step it to the plate? Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down. Come on back to Trinitron9. Come on back to Trinitron9. Bring it on back to Trinitron9. Bring it on back to Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
North Carolina with the morning wave.
It's still rough out here in Coney Island. I don't want to do no ghost talking. It's still rough out here in Coney Island. I believe I heard somebody calling my name, but it's rough. I don't want to do no ghost talking. Good morning, Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down. Sounding good in these deep waters of Coney Island. 1Adam12 sounding real good around the deep waters of Coney Island. 1Adam12 is sounding good in these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm trying to get my base station cleaned up. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down. Right back, 1Adam12, we got a sloppy copy. Hey, 1Adam12, we got a sloppy copy and you out here in Coney Island. Hey, 1Adam12, Trinitron9 got a sloppy copy and you out here in Coney Island. Good morning, 1Adam12. Good morning, 1Adam12, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
What do you think he's doing on top of the hill? Well, you don't have to go one way. We got it all before we said it. You said it all. Old man over here around 35.
Take care, 1Adam12. Conditions are in and out, up and down, back and forth. Take care, 1Adam12. Conditions are not stable out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. Take care, Adam12. 1Adam12. Your Trinitron9. Your Trinitron9. Deep waters of Coney Island. Get down. I don't want to do no ghost talking. I don't want to do no cross talking. Who gonna put it in these deep waters of Coney Island? I do not want to do any ghost talking. I do not want to do any cross talking. Who gonna put it in the deep waters of Coney Island? Trinitron9, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
You know I got it this morning. Do that, let it hear.
Dirty Harry cleaning the radios in Coney Island. Dirty Harry cleaning the radios in Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island, waiting on my conditions. Trinitron9, Coney Island, waiting on my conditions, and I just got down.
Man, you gonna come here 1Adam12? I said, man, 1Adam12 in South Carolina with you. Not on that end. Good morning, 1Adam12 also. Come on. Right there, what time is it, dude? Let's go right this side of your way.
1Adam12's all in Coney Island. 1Adam12's all in Coney Island. 1Adam12's all in Coney Island. Trinitron9, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
And the man with the cornbread in his hand, Mr. Trinitron9. You still got a sloppy copy on 1Adam12?
Still got a copy on you. I still got a sloppy copy on you, 1Adam12. Hey, 1Adam12, I still got a sloppy copy on you out here in Coney Island. 1Adam12, Trinitron9, Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Yo, brother, 1Adam12, it's South Carolina with the motor wheel.
Take care, 1Adam12. I don't want to do no cross talking. I don't want to do no ghost talking. Take care, 1Adam12, 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 Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down? Who else gonna get it back to these deep waters of Coney Island while I ride this wave and eat a piece of cornbread? Who else gonna get it back to the deep waters of Coney Island while I ride this wave and eat a little tiny piece of cornbread? Trinitron9, Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? I'm getting out of the middle of the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm getting out of the middle of the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm getting out of these deep waters. I'm taking my cornbread. I'm getting out of Coney Island. I'm taking my cornbread out of the deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? I'm taking my cornbread out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm taking my cornbread out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
The devil, Lord, I'm going to call you, man, because it's something I need to know. If you're a black man or so, get your number on that cotton picking in, do the hole. You're a devil, Lord, you're a black man, get your head required.
I'm getting my cornbread and I'm taking it out of these deep waters. I'm getting my little piece of cornbread out of the water and I'm going back to the shore. Trinitron9 is my name. Walking on water's my game. Ask me again, I'll tell you the same.
I call you sooner than you think. You're a black man. Good morning. Good luck. Dirty Harry in Jacksonville, Funky Station. Dirty Harry in Jacksonville, Funky Station. Dirty Harry, Funky Station. Yeah, I'll get you to my probably call you one day next week on that cotton picking in. No doubt about that. You probably know what I'm wrong with you. Hey, you're a black man. You probably know what I'm wrong with you. I'll see you.
Y'all making a lot of noise in the deep waters of Coney Island. Y'all making a lot of noise in the deep waters of Coney Island. Y'all making a lot of noise in Coney Island. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Yes, well, I thought you didn't know. Hey, you a black man, I thought you didn't know. But we don't leave that real fast, because I will shoot you a Jubilee.
We're going to clean up this Coney Island base station. It's rough and tough out here in the deep waters this morning. Who's going to clean up the Coney Island base station? It's rough and tough out here this morning. Who's going to clean up the Coney Island base station? Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Dirty Harry, Funky Station, New Jersey is gone.
I heard you saying Trinitron9, Trinitron9. I heard you saying Trinitron9, Trinitron9. I heard you in between those keys now. It's rough out here. I heard you calling my name in between the keys. It's rough out here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Get down?
Hey, so we talk to Gaby Tail. Tell Gaby Tail I tell her how to do this. Dirty Harry, Funky Station, New Jersey is gone. I will what you said, too, Funky. Hey, Funky Station, I will keep your side alive. And I will tell Gaby Tail what you said. Funky Station, dirty Harry, gone. Right, dirty Harry, peace out. pick it up.
Who was that trying to get it back to Trinitron9? Who was that trying to get it back to my radio? Who was that trying to put it in the deep waters of Coney Island? Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in the sand. Got down?
I hope I talk to you in the mobile again. Bye-bye.
It's rough out here in Coney Island. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. I will not lie to you. It's rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. But whoever that was trying to get it back to Trinitron9, I'm gonna say good morning. Whoever that was trying to get it back to the deep waters of Coney Island, I'm just gonna say good morning. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread. Mad Dog, Alabama, Mad Dog, Alabama, Mad Dog, Alabama. Hey, Mad Dog, Alabama, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? Hey, Mad Dog, here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water. Hey, Mad Dog, here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water. Hey, Mad Dog, here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water. Mad Dog, Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Condition this morning. No bumping down, blood pressure by you, cut to look at like a
Hey, Mad Dog, Trinitron9, trying to clean out your radio. It's rough and tough, but I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hey, Mad Dog, Trinitron9, trying to clean out your radio, but it's rough and tough in Coney Island right about now. Hey, Mad Dog, and more Mad Dog, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? You slow walking the ground plane, you slow walking the ground plane. Hey, Mad Dog, you said you slow walking the ground plane, you slow walking that ground plane. Hey, Mad Dog, that's what you said, you slow walking the ground plane. Hey, Mad Dog, Trinitron9, hey, Mad Dog, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Station go. How about it, CH.6?
Waving at 135 in the good time game. Waving at 135 in the good time game. Let me go eat another piece of cornbread. Take care, Mad Dog. Waving at 135 in the good time game. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Let me go eat another piece of cornbread. I heard what you said, Mad Dog. I heard what you said, Mad Dog. You said you want to see how it sounds in the gate. Hey, Mad Dog, I heard what you said. You said you want to see how it sounds in the gate. Hey, Mad Dog, that's what you said. That's what I heard. Hey, Mad Dog, and more Mad Dog, Trinitron9. Hey, Mad Dog, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Station New Jersey, you know you're smoking 1Adam12. Come on. 1Adam12, 125, New York.
Bye, Mad Dog, with a whole lot of hairs and trash out there. Bye, Mad Dog, with a whole lot of hairs and trash out here. Hey, Mad Dog, it is what it is. It ain't no excuse in the bowl. There's a whole lot of hairs and trash out here. Hey, Mad Dog, it is what it is. There's no excuse on the bowl. There's a whole lot of hairs and trash out here. Take care, Mad Dog, and all the good time game. Trinitron9, Trinitron9. It ain't nothing but a little piece of cornbread in my hand. It ain't nothing but a little tiny piece of cornbread in my hand, but a little bit goes a long way. It ain't nothing but a little tiny, teeny piece of cornbread in my hand, but a little goes a long way. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, bread of heaven. Take care, Mad Dog, and all the good time game. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
1Adam12, Funky Station up. Put 12 and go kill over the motorway. We still a wild inside of the way. Sway to the windjammer, 135. It's going to get real shaky.
I'm just stepping in the middle of the deep waters with my hands up in the air. I'm just standing in the deep waters of County Island with my hands up in the air. I'm just standing in the middle of the deep waters of County Island with my hand up in the air. Trinitron9, County Island, Trinitron9, County Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
This one too. Oh man, what you find? What we saying? That job, man. But ain't really that kind of station. Oh man, 125. I understand that you can't understand. We saying clean wheels out there, but can't make wheels. Broke down on my number 2 station.
Let me get out of these deep waters. Let me take a pause for the cause. Let me get out of these deep waters. Let me take a pause for the cause. I hear 1Adam12 was still out there. Switchblades out there now. Let me go back to the shoreline and eat some more cornbread. Let me take this thing out of the deep waters, go back to the shoreline and eat some more cornbread. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
I'm 081. That's that old man with the dangerous shot microphone key back up in the area, man. I got damn, nah, double nigga, you loud as hell this funky time. Hey, nah, double nigga, Super Bowl, Funky Station, New Jersey, somebody come brother, you loud as hell this funky time. Nah, double nigga, that was kind of make show. Nah, double nigga, down there in Philadelphia, man, the Funky Station, your daily baby brother on the walkie-talkie. Nah, double nigga, right?
Gonna eat another piece of cornbread, that's all. I'm just gonna eat another piece of cornbread. I'm just gonna eat another piece of cornbread. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Well, one search a minute and said something, go get your teeth out of it. He searched a minute, but you won't do now. Take care.
Switchblades all in my ear hole right about now in Coney Island. Switchblades all in my ear hole right now. I got switchblade in my ear hole around Coney Island right now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Hey, 955 in the Stone, Funky Station, New Jersey. You got 9 dBs on my walkie-talkie. You know, Dave put a signal meter in his walkie-talkie. Dave put a signal meter in his walkie-talkie. You got 9 dB in this. I can go. Well, you got a station, you can talk to me.
I'm gonna eat another piece of cornbread. I'm gonna eat another piece of cornbread. I'm gonna eat another piece of cornbread. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Come on, you later. 411, take care. Old man, 125. Sweet spray with no condition. Bye-bye. I'm doing that for the babies. I'm doing that for the babies.
Right back, Windjammer. Right back, Windjammer. Here I come. Right back, Windjammer. Here I come. Good morning, Windjammer. Here I come. Hey, Windjammer, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? Take care, Windjammer, with a whole lot of hairs and trash in there. Hey, Windjammer, take care with a whole lot of hairs and trash in there. Hey, Windjammer, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. We'll do it again. Hey, Windjammer, Trinitron9. Hey, Windjammer, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Got it, The door is back gate. Take you home with the clown. Got down.
Homie the clown made a whole lot of noise in Coney Island. Let me get my cornbread out of the water. Homie the clown just made a whole lot of noise in Coney Island. Let me get my bread out of the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
Let me get on out here, old man. What the dangerous stuff might get us. Be plugging by here. Kick on later. I'm back this step.
Take care, y'all. Take care, Windjammer. Take care, Mad Dog. 135, Windjammer, Funky Station, and all the good time gang. Let me go eat another piece of cornbread. Let me go eat another piece of cornbread. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
Hello, Big Bird. We straw in the bound. Big Bird around we straw drag the road. I'm just so slow with shit. We straw Funky Station.
Let me go eat another piece of cornbread, that's all. Let me just go eat another piece of cornbread. That's all. Let me just go eat another piece of cornbread. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
That's just not gonna happen.